Naimbag Rabi amin na po. Yes, I would like to thank all the participants who joined the parade this today. So mga businesses and other sectors, thank you so much for joining. Nakaragrag sa kakata, nakasmagitayo, nag-evolve digiti floats na from this small quality-wise craftsmanship na pintas is also with the big ones apo. Thank you so much for joining the float. Tomorrow yung street dance parade at saka yung Kalesa parade tomorrow night. Yun bukas yun ang inaabangan kasi cluster yung maglalaban, mga barangay, so we have 10 participants. I'm also excited to watch yung performances nila. Given yung timeline maiksi, I would like to apologize and thank all the barangays apo who joined and participated. Honestly, I cannot tell personally. Let the people decide kung ano yung experience nila last year at saka this year apo. Kasi I do not like to compare kung ano yung previous na mga ginawa. Basta sa amin, what matters is yung kumbaga, what matters yung sa amin, masaya yung mga constituents namin. So we bring joy. Yun nga nakita nyo, we're bringing the new vibe. So yun ang difference. So ang gusto namin is more interaction from the different sectors at saka yung mga barangays this Pamulinawen. More